It's me, Hamim Recha, and you are again watching the same YouTube channel, Hamim Chess. In today's chess video, we are going to show an amazing chess opening, which is also known as the King's Gambit. And this gambit is quite old, and for this reason, many people actually don't know about this gambit. So let's just focus on this gambit today. So you have to play with the white pieces. So without wasting time, let's start the game. You just start the game with e4, the king's pawn opening. Here black will obviously reply with e5. That's also good. And now you just don't develop your pieces. You just play an unknown move, and that is pawn to f4. You are sacrificing a pawn, you are offering a pawn for free. So your opponent has here two options. He can either take the pawn, or he can just ignore it and can give a support of this pawn like pawn to d6. So if the opponent takes the pawn, then that will be the king's gambit accepted line, and if he does not take and just develops his pieces like knight c6, or just defends the pawn with the pawn to d6, then that will be the king's gambit declined line. Okay, if your opponent accepts the gambit, then we can just set up our trap. Here the motive behind sacrificing this pawn is to make this pawn out of the center. If you see here, you know what center is: the four squares in the middle of the board. These four squares are called the center. And if you see our this pawn and black's this pawn, both are in center, and if this pawn takes this pawn, then it will be out of the center. It's not necessary that we are just sacrificing a pawn, because we can also regain it later. Okay, after he takes the pawn, we will just play pawn to d4. If you see, we have a quite strong position because our both pawns are in the center and both are controlling the center squares, and his one pawn is out of the center. That is not so good for black. Okay, and you have not only pushed the pawn but also opened the diagonal for bishop, and you can attack the pawn with the bishop and regain it on the next move. So that's a very good option for you, and this is the king's gambit setup. Most of the players play it to just gain some place in the center, and you know, as the principles of chess, it's very necessary to occupy a room in the center. So it can be so useful for you if you play king's gambit. Okay, after he plays any move, we will just capture this pawn and regain our pawn. And if you see, we are not only advanced in the occupying the position, but also we are advanced in developing our pieces. So that can be a plus point for us. So you will not find many people playing this, because most of the players don't play this as it is very old. But once upon a time it was very famous gambit, and it was seen to play this gambit by many grandmasters. So you can play it, and there are some cunning little traps in this gambit. In the next video we will just focus on them. So this was the video. If you liked them, then just press on the like button, and to support us, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends so that they can learn something about chess. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.